Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable recommended section in Windows 11. If you would like to disable this section, you need to click rightmost button somewhere here, and after that you need to click Start Settings. Then this window should be displayed here. We need to set here more pins, and after that we need to uncheck here all options. So I turn it off. I need to turn off Show Most Used Apps. I need to turn off Show Recommended Files in Start Recent Files in File Explorer, and items in jump lists. And I need to disable this option, show websites from your browsing history, and I need to uncheck last two options too, yeah. After that, I close this window, and if I will go back to recommendations section, I will see here one software. I need to unpin this software, so I click rightmost button on it, and I click remove from list. Then we need to close this window and click start icon again. We need to repeat this action multiple times to remove all apps from the list. After that, it should be successfully cleared. So let's repeat this action multiple times. And how you see it has been successfully cleared. So now everything is working correctly here, and apps will not be displayed on this list. So how you see it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.